Today we'll see a new topic where where configuration files. Okay. Very good afternoon. Today we'll see provisioners. See provisioner somewhere is there. Terraform provisioners. Yeah, this is important. I'm taking all these control A, control C. I'm going to Windows key E. There, go to raw, pasting here. Here is the file provisioner F2. There I'm taking heading is file provisioner. In the same way, second one F2. That means remote XCC. In the same way, local XCC. Even if I already provided for you, if not having, I will resend it. If already having, try to open it. Very easy to understand, very easy to work with. Today, we'll try to finish all these four if possible. First, I am going to work with file provisioner. First, I'll try to explain what is file provision. They are going to know. See, this is the cloud resource. Within the cloud is the region. Within the region, there is the subnet. Within the subnet, we're having one resource. Resource I'm taking like this. This is the instance. This is the instance. I hope it clear. Why someone is send me the link, sir. Link already sent. Again, they're asking link. I think link everybody having, right? Link in this group is also there, right? Our class link. Yes, there. There. Good. Now this is, this one is security group. Already this procedure many times I explained. Till now clear or not? See, Bhargav, what is this? This is the cloud, AWS cloud. The topmost one is the cloud. Within the cloud, what it is there? This is what? Region. AP South one. Why I am writing like this? Why are using this one? After that, there we may use, see, AP South 1A. 1A means what? Uday? 1A means what? Is the availability zone. AG, availability zone. Availability zone. Or where? Yeah, wanted to. Okay, availability zone. What is this? This is nothing but SG. This is nothing but SG means security group. This is nothing but instance. Maybe assume my EC2. My underscore EC. If it is clear for you, I may go with some other. See, this is purely related to cloud. Okay, clear, right? Assume this is your local system. This is your local computer. In your local computer, there we are having one file. You created one file. The file name is file one. Please mute it. The file name is file one. The file one contain welcome. This welcome content we need to move from here to here. This is our intention. From here to here, you need to place. For this, we need to use which provisioner? This is the file provision. File provision. In file provisioner, we may use two argument. One is the source argument, second one is the remote RE or target. TR. One is the source, second one is the target. Are you understanding or not? See, in file provisioner, we are sending our local file system file to remote file system. Remote file system in the sense, this is the local system. This is the remote server. Remote server. If you want to send our local file to remote sender, we need to follow some process. We need to follow some process. What is the process? We'll see now. What is the process? Try to see it. Now, Windows key are, if possible, try to do parallelly, no problem. I may provide such clarity for you and parallelly do it with me. CMD. There CD-ROM, there DIR. See, somewhere file provisioner CD capital F file, it's moving to here, just dir, just dir. See, we're having Terraform manifest, Terraform, again one more folder is there, cd Terraform. Now here dir, observe here, our requirement is first C1 versions. There we need to do some modification. See, notepad C1 versions. There's many times I explained there this is not mandate. This is not mandate. Just remove it. Now here, provider AWS region. Tell me what is the region here? AP, AP South, AP South. This is
Household.
this is required or not profile? Profile is required or mandatory or optional one? Anyone tell me? Is it mandatory or optional one? It is. It is optional one. It is optional one. Try to remove this because of if code is less, we feel very happy. See, nothing is there. Even this is also not necessary. That very simple, right? Provider AWS region AP Southward. This line is okay. This line is okay. Simply I am closing automatically. It will save. Say, do you want to save? Yes, save. Next, if you go for variables, wherever variables is there, already explained variables, notepad, notepad, C2 variables. In C2 variables, this variable section is not required for me. That's why what I may do, I may delete variable. Then I don't want variable here. Del, del, C2, that related, this I delete it. Now see, there is no C2 related file. There is no C2 related file. Now I go for security group already output already this is the data source already private key already I'm having private key. You need to modify our private key. Private key, right? Private key. Private key data I need to place here. See how to place private key. I'm trying to open notepad, observe notepad or else simply I may delete this. I may delete this or else what I will do. Notepad. Please observe even that I am providing. Notepad, private key. Private key. Just I am trying to enter. This is what they are saying. Private key. Do not have permission to the file. Okay. Okay. What they are saying. There is no permission. There is no permission. What I may do is I may delete this private key. I may delete. See, del, ERI, private key. I deleted it. No problem. Yes, I deleted. Even check it. DAR, the private key is there. Yes, again it is the private key is the directory. That's why it is not deleted. See, CD private key. And now see here, dir. Here, any file is there? No. I try to add one file here. I'll try to add one file. Here nothing is there. Zero files, zero directories. Even what I may do, even I may delete this folder also. Don't worry. Even I may delete this folder. cd dot dot. How to delete private key folder? rm remove rd remove directory private key slash r slash s r slash s slash q s and q. Now see, check it. dir is it deleted or not? Now there is no such name. There is no such name. Leave it, no problem. Our main intention only EC2 instance. Remaining all are already explained. Only C4. Notepad, C4. C4 related thing. If any problem is there, we'll try to add those things. Now here, create EC2 instance Amazon to Linux. Here is a resource, AWS underscore instance, my EC2 VM. This one already you know. This is what anyone respond. What does it mean? Is the data resource block has been created with the help of data block, with the help of data blocks. Instance type. Barco, tell me here which type of instance we need to create here. What is the instance type? T2,
E2 may
T2
extra micro.
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 Here key name already I'm having key, already I have key in my instance level ap southward. That's why I'm using directly terraform key. If not working, what I may do, I may go and copy and paste it in the local. I may copy and paste it in the local. Okay. Even here, user data, so that you tell me what is the use of user data. I think somewhere we discussed this one. What is the use of user data? What it represents? See, once instance got created, you want to install Apache server, right? With the help of user data, we're installing Apache server, HTTP server. In that server, we're placing index.html. Those details where it is available in user data is available. This user data, this is the shell script. Shell script is recognizing with the help of file function. With the help of file function. This is very, very important. Which type of functions you used in your Terraform script? Assume this is one of the function, file function, max function, like that. We used set function also. We use right to set function. We use like that. If you want to see, I'll show you. If you want to see, I'll try to show you. This is nothing but shell script for HTTP server. Now VPC security group IDs. This is fixed. Tags is also, this is virtual machine. There's Terraform dot there we are given. Here see count. If you use count function, maybe see workspace Terraform dot workspace default is there one. Even we are not using this. We are not using this. Leave that one. Now our main intention is here if you want to work with file provisioner, you need to connect to that one. The connection block is that. This is the new block. Very, very important. Connection block. If you want to connect it to EC2, everybody know, right? By using which protocol we are connecting? Barco. SSH. Are you agree with me? There we're going there. There we're clicking. There SSH, there were copying example, there were going to git bash, there were pasting. Are you agree with me? That is the SSH, is the host self dot public IP. Self dot, we are using public IP for your connecting. What is the username? EC2 user. You don't know password. EC2 user, simply empty password. This is the private key. Which private key you are using? This is the Terraform. Terraform hyphen key dot file. I may use directly. I may use directly. We'll check it. I may use simply, that is the Terraform key. I may use where for this purpose we need local Terraform key. For this purpose, what I may do? I may go and get it. I may go and get it. This is the Terraform hyphen key dot com. Terraform hyphen key dot. First we'll gather it. Terraform hyphen key dot com. Windows key E. Go to where? Go to desktop. Desktop. There. Go to where is that? From file. There check it. Terraform key somewhere is there or not? Terraform key is there, right? Just simply copy it. Simply copy this. Copy. Is it possible or not? Check it. Copy. Where you want to paste it? Going to here. Going to here. There. Where is that? Hmm, where is that? ROM. Within the ROM, here is file provisioner. There within Terraform manifest. There we need to paste it. Paste it. See Terraform key dot m. I got it or not? Terraform hyphen key. That is the Terraform hyphen key. If it is not wrong, it will work. If it is something goes wrong, we'll go and get it once again. Now where should I go? Here. Now I think I hope that is right. That is right. Now I need to check what about others. Did I close? They are C4. Any other missing? This one I said right. This I don't. After this, provisioner. This is important one. File provisioner. What we are doing? Source, destination. I said right. Provisioner block. Provisioner block. This is the block type. This is the block type. This is the block file. See, copy the file copy.html, file copy.html, where we are copying. This is the local system. To in remote system temp directory we are storing. In remote system temp directory we are storing. In the same way, copy the string in content into temp file.log log. See simply again provisioner file content directly we are storing AMID colon self dot AMI. See, understand what is self. See, self is nothing but current object. Self is nothing but current. Current object AMI details we are storing. We are storing. Where we are storing? In the destination. Again within the temp folder. What is the file name? File.log. Simply, if you want to get the clarity, there within this system, there we are having one folder. What is the folder name I am placing here? The folder name is temp, the folder name is temp slash tmp. Within the temp folder, we are placing two files from here to here. From here to here, we are moving two files. What are the two file names? Just observe and tell me. If anyone identify, just observe and tell me. There, just you try to observe and tell me. What is the first file? What is the first file? File hyphen copy.html we are placing here. This is the from source. What is the destination? Within the temp, we are placing file hyphen copy.html. Once, once this is executed automatically from local system to remote system, this file will be available. In the same way, from local to remote, from local to remote, even not local, from remote to remote only. This is the remote content where we are storing within the remote file. What is the file name? File.log. File.log. In the same way, one more provisioner file. Source is apps slash app1. Simply we are moving to destination temp. App1 folder, simply we are copying to temp. In the same way, one more file provisioner there within the apps, app2. Whatever it is containing app2, everything is moving to temp. How many ways they use file provisioner? Four ways they use. Really, if you want to know, one way is good. No need to go for four ways. For only they given different ways to copy. That means content from source to destination. Majority of the cases, source is the destination. Source is the destination. Here they didn't take source. Why? In remote system, details only storing into remote destination. That's why they are taking content destination. Here source is there, destination is there. Our main intention is, again I'm coming to here. Our main intention is, where is MS Paint? Main intention is, this is the provisioner. This is the provisioner. What is the provisional name? File. In that file, they use one is the source argument. Source 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 argument. That is the source file location where you want to store. That is the destination argument. Destination argument. What is the destination? PMP folder is the destination. There may be file hyphen something name, file name dot txt, whatever it may be. Here is the source content, source file name is copying to destination file. Now, here anybody facing any difficulty, please respond. Based on that, I will try to explain once again or try to execute our requirement. Mainly, today our intention, this is the provisioner and provisioner name. There we are using two argument. What is the source? What is the destination? Source is nothing but local computer. Destination is nothing but remote computer. Remote is nothing but EC2 instance in that existing folder. This is, we are not creating new one. We are not creating new one. Anyone say if any difficulty, I will try to explain once again, or we will try to execute our application. Shall we go for execution? Shall we try for execution or any doubt is there? What, Bhargav?
Sir?
Is there any doubt or shall we execute?
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt.
Execute.
How to execute? You tell me. Maybe there, Sanjay, or maybe you. What is the first step? This is, what is the
Terraform in
Terraform?
the
Terraform just init. Okay, good. I'm trying to give Terraform init. It is initializing. It is initializing. Initializing means just downloading plugin, provider plugin. What is the need of provider plugin? If you want to apply any command, then only, then after downloading only remaining commands will work. Otherwise, it won't work.
okay.
What is the next command? Oh, okay, once first command is good. Next command is what? Terraform.
Validate.
Okay, validate. Validate purpose is what? Validating. Now see,
Valid.
even though if I give validate, it is not able to work. Why? Invalid value that is expecting private key file. Where it is expecting private key, Terraform key, first we need to check it. Is there any opening notepads? Try to close this because of I didn't save, right? I modified after I didn't save. I didn't close. Where I changed my path. Here I changed, right? This one I changed. Yes, I need to close it. Save it. Now, again, Terraform validate. What it is expecting? Somewhere instance type is not changed. Here, one more notepad is there. That one also you need to close. That one also you need to close. That one also you need to close. Now, this one also we need to close. Yes. Now you need to check Terraform valid. Now see, the configuration is valid. Everything is fine for us. Now what next Terraform? After validation, plan or
Plan.
apply?
Plan.
Plan. What plan will provide?
The plan.
Plan will provide the changes. Plan will provide the changes. Configuration changes. Configuration changes. These are the changes will be applied in future. Future changes is available within plan. Plan. Whatever you want to apply, Those changes will display. That's all. It won't do nothing. It will give suggestion. It is giving suggestion. What is the main thing? Terraform apply. Object. Yes, if it apply, now actual resource is created. Actual resource is created. Yes, we are creating a resource. See, once it is creating resource, after creation of a resource, it is going to connect to our resource. After connecting resource, our local files are storing or trying to store. That files are there, right? What are the file names? Even I'll try to show you that files. What are the file names in the sense? Quickly, I am trying to show where is those files? Where is those files? RAM is not there. Now we need to go to RAM. Where is that RAM related information? C drive, their users, their users, within the users, HP, within the HP RAM, within the RAM, within the RAM file provisioner, within the file provisioner, Terraform manifest. There we need to see their instance, right click, open, just to open. I'm trying to open. I'm trying to open. There, move aside. There, see, this is the file. Where is the first provision? This is the first provision. We'll see first this one. In our local system, apps folder is there. See, in our local system, I'll try to show you. Terraform manifest. Terraform manifest. I'll try to show all. Then you will get the clarity. See, in my Terraform manifest, apps is visible or not here. See, apps, apps. Within the apps, file hyphen copy dot html. Check it here. File hyphen copy dot. Even what it is having, we can see here. In a simple file copy using Terraform file provisioner. One server is created. We are going to connect it to server. Where we will go and check it. Now, I think everything is fine here. We are tracked. Is it created, right? Three resources got created. Created or not? Yes, it is created. We are going to connect it. How can we connect? Going to manual. Now, quickly guide me. How can I connect this? The refresh, EC2 just now one instance got created, check it. I am not going to North Virginia. Our requirement is what? AP South 1. AP South 1. There just now, is it created or not? Check it.
running.
Just now, see VM virtual machine default 0. Now we are going to connect with this. Connect with this. Now going to connect. Now you know this is the C terraform hyphen key.pem. Automatically it is providing or not. Copy this. Now where it is available, tell me. Windows key, I think within the desktop, within
Download.
the PEM files, I think PEM files. There I changed it. Generally in your system downloads, in my system, I modified this git
Okay.
bash. Location is changed, that's all, nothing is there.
Okay.
Only location got changed. If I give yes, if really everything is fine, it may connected or not. Yes, it is connected. Yes, it is connected. Now check it here. CD just temp or slash te temp folder is there or tem is the temp folder or not? Temp folder slash tm. Yes, it is there. Check it. I
Yes.
entered into temp or not? Yes. Now check it dar or maybe ls. See, somewhere file hyphen copy dot html is available or not? Everybody observe and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Available or not? Now cat, even you can see the time also. ls hyphen l. You can check the time. ls hyphen ltr, right? LTR.
Yeah.
See, file one. Where is that? File hyphen copy dot html. Even with the time also it is there. Today. Today time. Now you can see the content. Cat file hyphen copy copy dot s. Same content is there or not? See, simple file copy using Terraform file provisioner. Are you agree with me? In the same way, I said app1 also. In the app1, some content is there. Again, app1 including is copied. Now app2 is there. App2 contains some files. App2 file1.html. App2 file2.html. I used four ways. Four ways. One is the source destination. Second one is content destination. Third one is source destination. Fourth one is also source destination. Is it clear or not? Tell me. If it is clear, I hope file provisioner is clear or not. You can be very simple. Once again, I am concluding. Using file provisioner, this is the local system. This is the remote system. From local system to remote system, we are using file provisioner. We may send single file. This is the way I'm explaining. Single file can move, can copy. One way. Second way is content you can copy. File content. File content we can copy. Third way is folder. Full folder. Full folder means directory. Directory we can copy. Third way, directory content. Directory content can copy. Can copy. For this, what are the arguments we are using? One is the source argument. Second one is the destination argument. What is the provisioner name? The provisioner name, here is the provisioner, provisioner. What is the name of the provisioner? File provisioner. This is important. This is the predefined name. This is not user defined. This is predefined. This is the provisioner. Just we need to give double curly brace, end with the double curly brace. Yes, somewhere one area just the data is there. That means data, I think, right? Data destination. Data destination. Is it clear for you? Shall I go for either remote or local? File provisioner by using, we can copy files from local file system to remote system, like maybe EC2 instances. What do they? Yes or no? Tell me. Are you there? Check it. Are you there? Think you are there. Okay. Now Sanja, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now you know the file provision. And now, Bhargav, you tell me, shall I go with local or remote EXE? That is your wish. Based on that, I'll try to explain. Either local or remote. That is your wish.
Remote, sir.
Remote. Remote. Why do you go for remote? Remote EXE. Remote EXE. Till now, what we did in the sense, we copied our files from local system to remote system. But by using remote exec, what happens? We'll try to understand. See, this is the remote server observer. Okay, server got created. Good, assume. After creation of a server, what I may try to do, I may install HTTP server. See, after a minute, maybe after 1 minute, assume. After 1 minute, after 1 minute, I may install HTTP server. See, once HTTP server is installed, assume good, it is installed. It is INSTA installed. It is for waking up. Waking up means for activating, assume it may take 2 minutes. Are you agree with me? It may take 2 minutes. Okay. After waking up, I'll try to place my content. Content means maybe index.html. Maybe index.html. Where I want to place, please observe. Where I want to place, I think you know where. I think you know www. I think you know html. Got it or not? html. Within that, what you want to place? Index.html. Is it clear for you? What you are placing? Your file content. Which file content? Our website file content you are placing on the index.html after some time. That's why remotely we are doing, if you see the concept you can easily understand. Now same look and feel. Again I'm going to E. There ROM. Within the ROM, wherever remote is there, just click remote exe provision. Quickly do the changes. Now where should I go? Private key is not required. Right? Private key is not required. Simply I may copy paste private key. This private key is not required. I am deleting this folder. I deleted. What I need to delete? Tell me. What I need to modify? Shall I go and modify? First, you will see the content, what it is having. You can easily understand what it is having. Open with maybe notepad. Very simply, you can understand. Here observe anything, any specialty is there already we know, or we need to know new thing. Please observe and tell me where you want to place your data. Within the where, within the ww, within the html, within the index.html, what we are storing. Echo. Welcome to. That is my intention. Welcome to remote exe. Welcome to remote exe. That's all right. Welcome to remote exe content where I am placing within the where ww html index.html. Is it clear for you? Shall I close this? Yes, I am closed. Save it. Save it. Yes, I saved. After saving, this one we need to modify. Quickly tell me how to modify anyone. I said, is it required? Bhargav? Now, where I want to modify? What is this? What is this? T2 region means AP South 1. AP South 1. What is this? This is not necessary, I said. Even if it is there, leave it. If it is there, leave it. Now, this is also modified. This setting is also not necessary. Just I am closing this. I am closing this. Yes, save it. After this, where I want to modify, what I want to modify, shift delete. Our main intention is remaining. This is which one is main? Their instance. Where is the instance? C4 is it instance. This one I am editing. Open with, even I am going to notepad. Now resource AWS instance my EC2 VM. This is common. There I need to change what I want to change. Tell me. Instance type T2 micro. micro. What is the key name? Terraform key. This is leave it. Here see. Again you need to connect. SSH. This you need to remember. Regularly asking question. If you want to connect to Terraform resource, which block you may use? See in the question what it is there. If you want to connect to Terraform resource, which block is mandatory? Connection block is mandatory. There you need to tell. Type is required, host is required, user is required, password is required, private key. What is the private key? You know, right? This key you need to modify. This key you need to copy and paste it. Okay, till now clear. See here they use which provisioner once again? Copy the file, copy dot. This one already we have seen, right? This one already having or not? Anyone tell me? This thing already we did or not? Please respond. This happen or not? File provisioner already there or not? Please respond in your way. Already we did or not? Okay, anyway, that is the existing resource. See, first of all, what I am doing here, I am going Terraform destroy. What happens? Tell me. Terraform dstro. Destroy. Everything I am removing. Everything clearing. Everything clearing means what? Existing whatever it is created, we are simply removing. Nothing will be there. See, if nothing will be there, what I may do? I may create a new resource. I may create a new one. This is the new instance. Within the new instance, again within the temp folder, we are creating something. Within the temp, this is assume temp folder. In the temp folder, I am storing something. Within the temp, I am storing maybe file something .txt or .html. Leave that one. We'll see here. This is the file hyphen copy .html. What after that? What they are doing? Observe here carefully. Simply provisioner remote exec inline. Inline means within. How much time they are waiting? Observe here. Sleep. I think Uday, today morning we have seen sleep method or not? Yes,
Yes, sir.
sleep.
Ping.
How many seconds we have slept there? 1 second. Here 2 minutes we are waiting. Why 2 minutes we are waiting? At least observe and tell me. Server is for awaking it will take time. For wake up, you know the meaning of wake up. Even you may wake up at morning, it may take 1 minute 2 minutes for doing your activities, right? You may wake up and sit there only. If your father and mother may scold sometimes, you may quickly move around, or else will sleep for 120 seconds to ensure Apache web server is provisioned using user data. What does it mean? User data already activated. In that we need to copy. See, this is already, this is which command? Please observe and tell me anyone. Is it Terraform command? Is it Linux command? Sudo
Linux.
CP. What we are doing? Within the temp, Uday, here important point. Directly from local system to web server, you never copy. Please remember. First of all, what I did here? From local system to where I copied? Within the temp. From temp to where I am copying? Where www HTML. I hope you understood or not. First, we are copying from where to where? Local to temp folder. From temp to Apache web server, where www.html. Okay. Shall we go for quickly apply? Remaining things are very common. Remaining things are very common. Here we use the file provisioner for storing in Apache web server. Storing in Apache web server, we are using one provisioner. What is the provisioner? Remote exec. Remotely, right? Within the remote system, I'm copying. Within the remote system, I'm copying. After specified time interval. What is the specified time interval? This is the inline. See, inline is equal to square bracket. This total thing is considered like a script file. This total thing is considered like a script. Script is nothing but just like .sh file. Inline. Inline means within. Inline means within. Now I am going to close this, save it. Everything is fine. Assume I am going to one step back. CD dot dot. Now again CD dot dot dir. I need to go to remote exec project. CD rem. Now dir cd terraform. Now see terraform init. Right. What happens here? What is the problem? What is the problem? Remote exec dir. So check it. What is the problem? What it is expecting? Yeah. Somewhere I think something missed. I think it is saying C4 instance line 19. Quickly tell me. A notepad, NOTPAD, C4. In C4 file something missed. It is saying in line 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It is expecting something.
Sir, colon, sir. Double quotation there.
Oh,
Terraform.
yeah, double quotation missing. But it is saying clearly. Okay. That is the advantage of Terraform. Yes. Now quickly Terraform unit. Unit.
Sir, very good.
Hmm. Tell me.
Voice is breaking, sir.
My voice.
Yes, sir.
What about others? For you also same thing happening or not?
No, no, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, I think from your side, internet problem. Anyway, no problem, nothing happened. I just were running this one. Okay. If you have difficulty, try to tell me. Again, I may repeat it. That's all. Nothing is there. And now Terraform direct can apply APP. I'm not going for validate. I am not going for flag. Now what it is saying? AP South one, is there any missing? What it is expecting? Variables one section is there. I think already I may go for AP South SOUTH. Any missing Uday? AP South one, we written properly. There, I think this is double quotation. There also, am I provided double quotation or not? Double quotation or not? I think I am not wrong, but it is expecting something. We'll check it once again. Terraform apply. Now line 4, C1 version, some problem is there. Notepad C1 versions. Now quickly observe and tell me what was the problem. There double quotation missing, right? See, Bhargav, is it missing or not? Double quotation. Escape, just close this, save it, and apply. Apply. What was the problem? Terraform key is not there. Till now, key is not there. Windows key. Please observe how to get key. Go to desktop. There, go to Web files. There, Terraform. Terraform key. Right click. Copy it. Copy it. Where you want to paste it. Where you want to paste it. Wherever provisioners are there. Provisioners. I think where I am having C drive, or else we may see here. We may see here. Where is the heading by? Where is the heading? Am I directly getting? I think we may not say this is the right one. Terraform provisioners. Okay, anyway, Windows key, that is good way. Go to C drive. There we're having somewhere users, right? Within the users HP, within the HP, ROM. Within the ROM, that is the which provisional remote exec. There we need to paste it. Here, manifest, directly you may paste it. Paste it. That's all. Now it is good. Now simply go for one step up, Terraform apply. Now it may not give error. It is recognized. Now simply, yes, that's all. It is doing three things. What are the three things? It is creating, try to anyone can explain. It is doing internally two things. One is the first creating EC2 instance. Now what is the second step for that? After creation of EC2 instance, what it may happen? It is installing HTTPD server. After installing web server, it is placing our file content. Are you agree with me? This file content we can view through a browser. We can view through a browser. Shall we go and check it? We'll go and check it. Now I'm going to check here. Here EC2, no instances, new instance you may get it. New instance. There is new one. See, now it is started, new one. That is old one is removed, right? New one is started. New one is started. Even we can quickly check a public IPv4 address. Uday, can we get directly data? We may not get. Why you may not get? Why we may not get? Can you guess it? There we have user sleep time. How much time we use a sleep time?
120
How much?
seconds.
120. We need to wait more than 120 seconds. At least you need to wait 3 minutes. After that only we can view your content. Why? It is taking some time. After waking, it will go and copy it. It will go and copy. Now assume 1353. We may wait for up to 1355. 1355. There you need to check it. Now Sanjay, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. If any doubt is that, try to interact with Bhargav. At least he will refer it. He will try to explain something. At least he may know because of yours. See, if I am trying to teach you what I may do, I may learn right in the same way for everybody. Whether he is good or bad, if you ask, he can learn. Now we'll go and check it. Maybe I copied or not. Yes, I am copying. After copying, I may check here. Really, is it pasted? Is it working or not? See, welcome to Stack Simplify. Here, this data already there, where within that. That's why AWS Infra created using Terraforming US East 1 region. Have you understood, right? See, this data already there, right? Uday, just to try to understand. This data already there, Uday. Again you want to modify. Again you want to modify. Here, it is not possible. By using directly Terraform EXEC, not possible. At that time, you go with the null resource. At that time, what you may do? You may go with null. First, I'll try to explain null resource. Then I'll come to what is that local EXEC. Why? Only instance is existing instance, server is existing server, but which one you want to modify? Only content you want to modify. At that time, which is very useful concept, null resource is very useful concept. This file content you need to change. Are you understanding or not? What I am trying to explain. Some content is there, assume XXXX is there. This content I want to modify, like which one you want to modify? Maybe YYYY. Are you understanding or not? You want to replace some content. You want to replace some content. What? You are not touching instance, you are not touching server, you want to modify your existing content. At the time, which concept is very useful? Concept name is null resource. Null resource. See, simply you can say by using null resource, we may do one more thing. What is null resource? Do not do anything. Do not do anything. What does it mean? So not do anything means not creating any resource. Not creating any resource. Is it clear for you? Do not do anything means not creating any resource. You may ask me, okay, if do not do anything, what we may do? We may execute shell script. Shell script. In general answer, we can execute script files. Script files. Is it clear for you? Very simple concept. Which concept? Null resource. Null resource means not to do anything. So not to do anything. What we can do? We can execute script files. Simply we can say shell script we can execute it. Is it clear for you? Uday? If you say yes, we'll try to implement that concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Now see here. Now see here. What I may do? I may copy only that concept. Only that concept where I am in. It's again. Already I went right. Already I am in that Terraform manifest. Which manifest? There one step back. Not in file provisioner. I may go for remoting null resource, right? Click on null resource, click on manifest, click on manifest. Simply I'm going to copy and paste it, copy and only which one? This C4 EC2 instance data I want to copy paste. Remaining thing I won't touch. Remaining things I won't touch. This is the copy. This is the copying. Copy. Where is copy? This is the copy. Where you want to paste it? In our just observe where you want to copy paste it, that is the remote exec. In remote exec I am changing. Actually I need to enter into this area. Why? You need to know, right, where we are doing changes. For that there I am going to here, I am replacing, right click, I am replacing. It may ask, yes sir, replace the file, replace the file in the destination. Yes, yes, replace. I hope everything is fine. I am clicking here. I am trying to open. I am trying to open. They are open with maybe notepad I am taking. Now see, you know it. This is nothing but which one? Quickly tell where, what to do, where to do modification, what to do. Here T2, double quotation, T2 my MICR. What next? Is the Terraform key is good? Here is nothing is there. Here nothing is there. Everything is existing names only. Everything is existing names only. My EC2 VM. Now observe here. Resource. This is the predefined. Uday. Wait for 90 seconds after creating the above EC2 instance. Instance already created, right? Already created according to our scenario. Created or not? Already there. What we are doing? We are using a new resource. This is a resource block. What is the type? Time underscore sleep. This is also predefined. You need to remember for interview purpose. Wait underscore 90 seconds. Here you may write your name or my name. But which is important? Depends on. Uday, somewhere you studied depends on, or agree with me?
Yes, sir. In meta arguments.
This is one of the meta argument. This is the predefined. Depends on. It is depending upon who? AWS underscore instance underscore myECTVM. Why it is checking for this one? Without creating an instance, why do we wait, right? Which purpose we are waiting? Hey, are you there or not? Hey, are you there or not? Hey, are you there or not? Like that. Create duration. How many seconds we are waiting? 90 seconds. Once it is created, then only it will wait for 90 seconds, or else it won't. It won't. Got it or not? This is very, very important. Depends on and creation, create duration. How many seconds? 90 seconds. I hope you understood. Now, sync application one, static content to web browser using provisioners. This type of content already there or not, check it. This is the resource, null resource. Where our intention is what? Null resource. This is any name you can give. Any name. Sync underscore app one underscore is the website, static website. That's purpose they given that name. Depends on time underscore sleep. Here see time underscore sleep dot wait underscore 90 underscore seconds. Is it matching or not? This one providing again it is depending upon. See, this time sleep is depending upon resource. This null resource is depending upon time underscore sleep. One is waiting for another. Whether you are understanding or not. One is waiting for another. What is the triggers? Triggers. Triggers is one more nested block. Triggers is one more, just like tags, right? Tags. There were mentioning multiple tags. Are you agree with me? Generally, tags is equal to, there were writing open curly brace. There were typing name is equal to that dev is equal to front end is equal to back end is equal to, we're writing or not? There, tire. In the same way, triggers. What you want to trigger? Always hyphen update. Always hyphen update means when the time changes. See, instance got created at 4 o'clock. That at 4:1 we executed our application. Maybe time is modified or not. If time changes, if timestamp, even 1 second vary, again re-execute. What does it mean? It is executing continuously again and again, without touching our existing instance. Only we're touching that, we are doing some manipulations. We are doing some based on the timestamp. You know the meaning of timestamp. Timestamp means it will provide current time. based on the current time. Now, this block already, here I need to remove. Which one I need to remove? This one I need. Because of, in our scenario, that is not there. Now see, copy the app1 file to app1 file to temp. This one already we did. This one already we did. In our scenario, everything already there. Here no need to check this. Even I am removing this. Even I am removing this because of already there in my temp. I removed. One more thing, see, provisioner, remote exec. Now what you want to copy? Inline, sudo, cp, hyphen r, right? Anyone respond? What does it mean? Hyphen r means what? Hyphen r means what? Quickly tell me. Hyphen r means what? Uday, you know already. Recursively. Why they took recursively? Again, if I go for Control Z, see temp app1 content. Temp app1 content. This is the temp folder, right? Temp folder, right? Within the temp, one more app1 is there. Recursion means what? Within. Again within. Multiple levels are there. Nested levels data you want to copy from source to destination. See, app1 contain one index.html file. Where it is there? Within the temp, app1 is there. Within the app1, what it is there? Something is there. Such data you want to move. Such data you want to move. Where you want to move? Where www.html. At that time, this is very useful. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Just I am trying to execute this. Just I am trying to execute. Now save it. I am trying to do it. What happens, we'll see. Where we are in correct destination only. This is not the right one. Now here is the right one. Now Terraform, directly I'm using apply. What happens? Check it. Now Terraform init upgrade. Init u upgr upgrade. Now what it is saying? First Terraform init. Now Terraform directly apply, right? What happened? Our intention without touching existing resources, existing server, only it is saying what it is saying, two things is creating. Check it here, what it is saying. See, null resource is creating. Are you understanding what I? Only what it is creating? Null resource. One more one, what it is creating? Time underscore slave. These are the new things or not? New requirements. Are you agree with me? Please respond. Anyone respond? Are you destroying anything? First step. Yes or no? Are you destroying anything? No. Why we are not destroying? Our intention is what? Without destroying any existing resource, we need to do some modification or manipulation. Is it doing or not? Why we are getting null resource and time slave? This is our new requirements. By using null resource, by using time slave, what we are doing? We are changing our content. We are changing our content. Yes, the existing website, I'm changing our index.html file content. Our index.html file content. Even again, we may go there, we may change our content. It will change, it will modify. Why? With the help of null resource. If there is no null resource, what it may do? No. 0 to destroy, 0 to add, you may get it. But here not like that. Every time you may get something, it will modify. Why? Keep on based on the timestamp. Timestamp means for every minute, for every second, time will vary. Based on that, it will execute. If any doubt, please respond anyone, or else we'll try to go and see the output. Here also we are waiting, I think 90 seconds, 1.5 minute after. doing this activity. Quickly, I am going there where I may refresh existing one only, right? Till now, not modifying. First, we need to check what is the actual content is there in that. Or else, I said we need to wait 1.5 minutes and see the output. Really, that one or maybe other one. First, we need to check IP address is changed or not. That is very, very important. See, IP is changed or not. Even I am refreshing. Please observe and tell me. IP changed or not? 246 is there. There you go and check it. Here also what it is there? Uday, 246. It is not changing. What is the main purpose of null resource? Null resource will change the resource or will not change the resource? First, at least tell me that point. What is the duty of null resource? It will modify existing resource or without modifying existing resource. If you remember that point, I am very happy because of null resource purpose is that one. Without modifying existing resource, we can modify our script content. We can change our script content. We can change our script content. See, this content is there or not, we'll check it. See, first it is created or not. Now everything is fine for us. Now we'll check our content, what it is there. There we go for a dir. Within the dir, apps is there. CD apps, there dir. What is there? File copy.html is there. File copy. We copied file copy HTML. There we can directly, okay, I may go like this. I may go like this. There slash file copy, file hyphen copy dot html. See, Uday, am I user right? File copy hyphen html. Simple file copy using Terraform file provisioner. Are you able to getting or not? Content is modified or not? Tell me anyone. What is the default one?
Yes, sir. Modified, sir.
Index.html. But by using file copy HTML, which one you copied here? Which one we copied here? By using null resource. By using null resource here within the apps folder. Within the apps folder, there file hyphen something maybe copy.html. This file here two files are there now. Try to remember. One is the index.html is the default one. Here by using null resource what we copied? File hyphen copy.html. You may ask me, sir, can I modify this one? That is okay, no problem. But this is also there. By using null resource, what we did? We copied a new resource. What is the advantage here? Did we touch existing resource? No. Did we touch existing Apache server? No. Only what we are modifying? We modifying the static file content. We modify the simply we can say file content is modified. File content in the sense new file is copied. New file is copied. But in Terraform, whatever you want to do, generally destroy will happen and what it may do? New creation will happen. Are you agree with me? First one is destroying, then it will go for creation. Whether I got it or not. First destroy it, then we go for creation. Here we are not destroying, even we are not creating. Simply what we are doing, we are adding our file to here. Maybe any new special resource is there, we may create it. Which one we created here? Null resource got created. Got it or not? Null resource. And one more thing we created, time sleep. That is also one more resource. These things you need to remember. Is it clear for you? Tomorrow we will see. One is pending. What is the one is pending? Anyone tell me which one is pending? Here mainly four provisioners. Four provisioners. What are the four provisioners? One is the file provisioners. One is the file provisioner. Second one is remote, remote, exec. Third one we discussed is which one? Null resource, null resource. Fourth one is what? Local EXEC. Local EXEC is the very, very, very important. Is it clear for you, Bhargav? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This one we may continue tomorrow because of now the time is 2:13, right? Nearly we exceeded 1 hour. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow we may finish. Tomorrow after this, I may go for tomorrow backup related things. Backup. How to do Terraform backup. Those things we will discuss. Or Terraform, not backup, I may go for debug. Debugging. Debug is very, very important. They're asking in interview how to go for debugging Terraform things. That is important. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, Ma Sanjay. What is it recording?